Hello everyone. Here installing LibreOffice. It's just a new version or free version of Office products. So it is very similar to Microsoft Office. So the link is libreoffice.org and download. You click, in this case, you have two versions. You're always going to pick the newest version. So it's 6.4.2. Click on the download, and you're going to see the little file download here. And just click on that, and it's going to go through the process. Um, Typically, you're just going to go and click next, 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 and, and install. That's the process. This is your installation right there. Oh, here's updating, installing and updating. So this should take a few minutes. As soon as it installs, we'll start playing around with it. All right, so it's finished. It's done installing. Let's click finish. And one thing I forgot to tell you is that you get to choose the operating system that you want to run this on. So if you have a Mac, you have a Mac version. If you have Linux and Windows and so on. All right, so let's see how it works. Let's go here to should be LibreOffice. All right, so we have the different apps here. Writers will be the Word, Calculus will be the Excel, Base will be the Access, Impress would be, I guess, the presentation. LibreMath is for doing formulas and stuff like that. That you want to insert formulas into your documents, so you use that. And LibreDrawer should be similar to Publisher. Okay, let's look at Impress. So this week we have a presentation to deliver. I think that this will be a good tool for you to practice with, and it's free. Um, and it's pretty. They claim to be very similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's see how similar it is. All right, it gives you a whole bunch of tools, tips. You click on your next tips. Click OK. Here's the little layouts or templates that you might want to choose from. I don't know. Let's pick this one. I guess it looks prettier. All right. Oh, so it's pretty much the same. Yeah, this is the layouts of your slides, which is pretty cool. It's pretty similar. I could see right away where to insert images and things. So you can see these here. It's got to be okay. Here's the insert tab. Let's look at where is it? All right, so I guess it's media. Animated image. No. Oh, here it is. Audio and video. All right, here it is. Real quick. All right, so it doesn't give you the option to record right away like a PowerPoint does. Let's see if there is a neither. Yeah, you cannot. Oh, let me see. All right, guys. I'm trying to add a recording device for the LibreOffice. The LibreOffice does not have the embedded uh, recording, so we have to add a third party. So we're gonna install this software, and it's pretty much the same. We're just gonna pick the operating system, the latest version, and things are free for a reason. So this is the part of the headaches of using software that is free. So not every it doesn't have all the features that we normally have in the Microsoft products, which are not free. Um, I tried using the sound recorder that comes with Windows, and then LibreOffice does not recognize these file types, so I'll use that. I'm just gonna come back when the software is done downloading, and we'll continue the video. Okay, we're back on the recording, but forgot to tell you that once you're here, you want to select your operating system and then go into the installer file, which is this one, which includes the manuals. This is the manual, supposedly. Now, don't click on these because these are ads, so you can see that they're ads. This is going to take you somewhere else. What we want to look for is this one right here. Just click on that, and you're going to see it that it start to download. It should be a straightforward process, pretty much quick. I just clicked on it, and the computer's gonna. Since I have it set it up for uh, security, it's gonna prompt me if I want to run this software, and I'm just gonna say yes. But that's not in all computers. All right, language. This is basically the same thing that we do in every uh, installation. You supposedly read this. Let's click next all the way through and install. Now, what we're gonna do, we are gonna have to go back into LibreOffice and configure it, and then we'll go from there. And it shouldn't be take that long. All right, so next, and it's finished. All right, so here it looks like it's uploading. Let's do a quick test. Testing. It works. All right, so let's close this. I'm not gonna save it. All right, so it says to go into your LibreOffice Impress, and we are going to the menu, edit, edit menu, and then we're gonna go into preferences. Uh, Let me pause this because I need to figure this out. All right, guys, back in here. So I have the third party software for recording, which is Audio CD. Um, After installing it, you just go here and open it, and you're gonna see this. And I did this recording, right? And what I did is I'm gonna export it, and but make sure you export it as an MP3, and choose your select your where you want it, your destination, and and just give it a name that you remember. I just use 123 for this example. Then when I do come back to our presentation, I'm just gonna do a new slide, and you're just gonna do an insert audio, and you're just gonna look for your, which is 123 MP3, and you could just minimize this, make it a little tiny icon, uh, and then you can see this little playback here menu, and I inserted this file here, the sound file into the slide. So what I did there is a Control Z, and it undoes everything. So what I want to do is what happened before is I had this selected and I inserted the audio into this space. But what I really want to do is just click on the outside and do it again. It's going to insert an audio file, and again, it's going to click on them. And this is the reason it's not doing it the way I wanted it. Let me see. It's going to insert audio. Okay, well, we could rearrange this later on in the layouts of the slide and make this work. Because what I want is to keep this like that, and then we could go into the file, the slide layout, and we could modify the layout again, and we could add another text box or whatever to organize your your slide. But the important thing is that we know how to insert the audio file using LibreOffice, which is a free software. If you have any questions, feel free to text me, call me, or schedule a Skype session, and we can go over these again. Take care.